Hello friends, welcome to SportTube. Friends, today in this video, I want to show you if you are facing a problem of your website. As you can see here, I have the problem, this site can't be reached. If we refresh it, is that a same problem? So let me show you. As you can see here, have one of our blog account, and if we see the blog here, have you see the website is still working here, but it will be work just only on the home page. So if we are facing this problem, our website not be work properly, so how to fix that problem? So let's go to the account where you can buy your domain. This is my account, and as you can see here, have I mentioned start using your new product, and this is the same website, worldbest.info. And as you can see here, have a problem, our website is not properly online. So how to fix that problem? First, go to your domain DNS, click on DNS, and into the DNS scroll down, and here have an option add forwarding. Click on it, and now select your website forwarding option, how you want to be forward your website. So first click on this drop down and select HTTPS, because already we are redirect this website to HTTPS. So let's go to the setting of our blog and scroll down, and here you can see the HTTP is already redirected, but this website not properly work with HTTPS redirect option without www. So let's go back and select the option of HTTPS, and now copy this domain. Just copy this and paste it here. So after paste it, make sure www also attach with this and remove the slash. After, make sure your website is right, just leave it all the option same premium. As you can see, all the option is still same. So after this all, just click on save. After save, it will take some time to save this setting. As you can see here, have a successful your forwarding option is add, in the top of this site you can see we are updating your forwarding, which can take a few minutes to show here. So let's wait some time, and after some time your website automatically redirect on this address. But if we add a www with this, then it will work. As you can see, with www it will be work, but if we remove www, then it will be not work properly. So just wait a few hours. After few hours it will be work properly. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notification for the upcoming latest updates. Thanks for watching.